Good morning. Gotta be quiet. We got people sleeping. We are on our way to Charleston. It's crazy. We thought at the beginning of the season, we thought we'd be saying goodbye to the U.S. with Leah. Kind of a sad moment, but we're going back to Charleston for a few months with the boat, and then we will be doing the South Pacific this upcoming season. But anyway, we are so excited. It's 350 miles, I think. I'll check that to be exact, and this is gonna be fun. We are sailing with another family on a Leopard, so we want to do a comparison of the two different type of boats, production catamaran versus a performance catamaran, and just kind of talk about our thoughts about the two. They left maybe 10 minutes before us. He's gonna keep track of all of his time using motors. I'm gonna try and just sail the whole way. Beautiful morning. It's just after 5 a.m. Beautiful bright full moon, so it'll be awesome. It should take about 40 hours, so we'll see. Slow going. Such a beautiful morning. Nothing better than being out here alone. Quiet, so peaceful. How's breakfast?
It's great.
We're coming up to Lily Bank. It's really shallow. What do you say?
Shallow.
Shallow. It's crazy. It's like 5 feet right here. All right. We're getting serious now. We're gonna pull out the stay sail so we can put 2 sails up. We've done it with the Genoa, but it seems like the Genoa takes away some of the wind from the Code Zero, so I'll put up stay sail and see what it does. Well, there you go. Gave us about a knot and a half, and we finally got around the Lily Bank, so we have way better angles. So we are cruising along now, going about 7.5 knots, and yeah, it's awesome. It's been such an uneventful day. We've changed course a little bit a couple of times, but we've just been putting along. Huh, Ems?
Yep.
Been enjoying yourself?
Oh yeah. Bum, 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 bum. Hello sharks. Today I am showing you my 360 binoculars. They're good for little kids, big kids, and me kids. And there is a 360, the orange thing, stretchy waist, and they're good for him. It can fit like this, and it can also fit my size, and it can also fit for babies. And I hope one of you will take this toilet paper scrolls to the next level.
The beautiful sun is setting.
Oh wow, that was cool.
It's awesome. Tonight there's another SpaceX launch, and we're actually, I don't know how many miles, but we're pretty close to Cape Canaveral, so that'll be cool. Give it a review.
10 out of 10.
That was pretty good. It's a complete joke out here. Not an ounce of wind. There's several sailboats out here and nobody knows what to do. It's crazy. There's about 3 knots of wind from the Gulf Stream. So we're still like, right now we're motoring at about, I'd say about 6 knots, but we're going 9 knots, speed over ground. So it's kind of fun. So it's like 8 o'clock in the morning, and we had to turn on the motors about 2 o'clock this morning. And we've just been cruising up the Gulf Stream. Yeah! Woo-hoo! Hey, buddy! Look at that guy!
Fast he's going!
Here they come!
I know.
There's more coming! Oh my gosh! Woohoo! Think they can hear us?
We made it to USA!
Alrighty, we are out of here. St. Augustine was so fun. I guess we were here 2 nights. We just got back from church, and now we are heading up to Charleston. So there's a bit of worrisome weather. We're not sure if we're gonna go all the way up or not. We may have to duck in somewhere, so we'll see here in a few hours what it ends up doing. So anyway, super excited to get back up to Charleston. Ruby just made us some lemonade ice cubes.
Popsicles.
Popsicles. So sad, it's our last sail together. So there's that thing on our radar, and I passed it. It made me so nervous because it's unmarked, it's not on AIS, and we're like 50 miles offshore. There's been a lot of bad weather the last couple of days, but we think it's a sailboat adrift. So I called the Coast Guard, and they so kindly asked me to turn around. So just over a mile away from it, and it is 12:30. So it's Navy Tower. It didn't show up on my inside chart plotter. It's so weird because it's connected to my outside chart plotter and it's not on my phone, but it shows up on my outside chart plotter. So I talked to the Coast Guard, and anyway, we were talking about it. I'm surprised they didn't know right off the bat when I told them where I was. Anyway, but yeah, that was quite exciting. It's so scary. The moon's up now, so you can kind of see, but when we were first approaching it, it's so dark you couldn't see anything, so a little scary. But that was a waste of an hour. So it's 1:30 now. So we are making good time. We're going about 10.5 knots now and just cruising along. It's a beautiful, beautiful night. Last night was miserable. We got into the Gulf Stream and trying to get up to Charleston, and the current was coming one way, the swell was coming another way, and the chop from the wind was coming from another direction, and I thought the boat was gonna fall apart. It was just like so ridiculous. So we had to change course to try and compensate for all of that, and so we lost a ton of ground, but now we're cooking. 12 to 15 knots. check out this baby. 1,000-foot container ship. Check out this. It's just somewhere over there. Oh, right there. We have just come to one of the coolest places. It's so Charleston is, there's the bridge, and anyway, right behind us. But this beach is so cool. A wonderful family from church took us here last time we were here, and there's shark teeth and shark vertebrae. It's all fossilized, huge stuff. So they're not with us, so I know we won't find as many. They just walk down the beach and find them. But we got a bunch of people with us, so we should be able to find a bunch. First one of the day, let me see it. So cool. Go show those guys. I just found one. Look how little that thing is. So cool. Yeah.
They were smart. They went all the way out there. We ran aground.
We ran aground.
Won't watch those guys.
Oh, Kelson. Oh, they're gonna hit. They're gonna hit.
Kel's next.
They're still going. They're still going.
Oh, no, they hit.
Dead stop. That's worse than us.
Yeah, that's
That's funny. We've been out here for like 2 hours, and everybody's found quite a few. I've found probably 10, but most of them are pretty small. I just found 2, but they're broken in half. 2 like this. But anyway, I've just been thinking, what a crazy world we live in, right? And one of the things that I think is so important to understand is we're our worst enemy so many times. And something that I have realized in my personal life is how much my phone, how destructive my phone is to my personal life with my, I'm gonna say one word, time. And you know, I left my phone on the boat. So happy I chose to do that, but it's I just think it's so important for me to share that and to put your phone down for 2 different reasons. One, go outside and do something, but 2, to just inspire you to go work harder, go make some money and make something happen so that you can follow your dreams. And I know there's so many people that watch our videos that we do, and you know, at one time we watched so many other people's videos and we're so inspired. And so I hope that what we share inspires you to put your phones down and get off YouTube or whatever it is and make life happen. I hope that us sharing this really makes an impact to inspire people to make choices, to find success in their lives. I've said over and over and over, it takes about 10 to 15 years of focused dedication to something to be able to achieve it. And you know, I feel so blessed. I know I've just been sitting here pondering. I know God's hand, and I can point to so many things that God's hand was in our lives to be able to make our business what it is. And without him, obviously we wouldn't have even come close to doing what we've done. So it's so cool to see that. But anyway, once again, I just hope that us sharing this can inspire you to go make a difference in your personal lives. Set some huge goals. I love the book 10X Rule by Grant Cardone. He inspired the heck out of me. I had a small goal to build a small company, you know, $10 million company, but then I read his book and it inspired me to 10X, to totally change my goals. But anyway, came to me at the right time, right place, and now we have the blessing and luxury of being able to spend time with our family on a boat. Pretty awesome. Anyway, rock on. Glad to have you guys with us. Once again, I hope this inspires you to put down your phone and go make something happen in your life. If we can help in any way, let us know too. I love helping small businesses. It's what I do in life now. It's super fun, exciting for me. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And please, if you want us to share anything specific about what we're doing, let us know. Love to answer any questions. See you next week.